Hello everyone, welcome back to Akka class channel. Today I am telling about articles. Here in articles there are two types, definite articles and indefinite articles. Let's see articles today. A, an, the. We use these words many way, but how to use, let's see today. Here A is used when it has a consonant sound. And an is used when it has vowel sound, like A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel sound. And the is used a specific noun or the one of a kind. Let's we know examples. First one, dash horse. Here H gives consonant sound, horse. Then we have to use here consonant sound as a. Let's write a horse. And second example is dash honest man. Here honest, it sounds like a O. Then we have to here use vowel sound. That's why here we have to use an. It gives a vowel sound. That's why we are using here an. And third example. Third example is a dash man. Here it gives consonant sound. That's why we use here a. And fourth one. It is a one of a kind. That's why we are using here the weather. And fifth one, dash European. Here E is gives as a vowel sound, but European, it sounds like a U. That's why we are using here consonant sound a. Next one, sixth, dash uncle. Here we are using here an because U sounds like vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel sounds. So we are using here an. And next, seventh one, dash university. Here university, it sounds like U. Then we have to use here consonant sound. It gives a consonant sound. So we have right here a. For a consonant sound, we are using here a. Let's write a here. A university. Eighth one, dash sky. Here sky is a one of a kind. That's why we have to use here the. Let's see here, one of a kind. Let's write the. Next example, ninth one, dash party. Here party, P gives consonant sound. For a consonant sound, we have to use here a. Let's write. For a consonant sound, we have to use a. Then a party. Next 10th one, dash ice cream. Here this one you have to do and answer in comment box. Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.